Now, 4 days after Usain Bolt pulled up injured, grabbing onto his left hamstring while anchoring Jamaica's sprint relay team in his last professional race at the London World Championships, news has emerged that he suffered a grade 4 hamstring tear. This is far more severe than the initial suggestion that Bolt had suffered a cramp in the aftermath of the injury when Jamaica's medical and management team said he was able to walk to the team bus from the warm-up track. No member of Bolt's coaching or management team was willing to confirm the diagnosis up to sports time. However, it is understood that a grade 4 muscle tear indicates a complete tear, which usually involves majority of the muscle fibers. Research suggests that grade 4 tears are extremely painful. Prior to the MRI on Monday, Bolt had provided an update on the injury during his last press conference at the London Stadium.
Well, after the injury, I just pretty much tried to get home as quickly because we had to start treating it. So I went home, got treatment, stayed up for a while just to text and just to talk to people who were concerned about what was going on. Slept a little bit, woke up, treated again. I just been home, taking it easy, and I just continued treating my injury until we get a chance to do an MRI tomorrow to see if it's as worse as I think it is.
The 8-time Olympic champion is expected to travel to Germany in the coming days to continue treating the injury.